In this video, I'm just going to show you how to change your Discord server image. So if this does help you out today, then please consider leaving a like, maybe dropping a comment below saying this helped you out, and also subscribing to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials. And let's get straight into it. So what you're going to want to do first is open up Discord. So I'll be doing this on a PC today, but the process is the same if you're on like a mobile device. The buttons could be in a different place, but just follow the steps and you'll be able to do this on your preferred platform. So what you're going to want to do is make sure you're logged into your account. In today's example, I've set up a example server, which is up here on the left hand side, and this is the actual server image I have currently. So what you're going to want to do is click onto the server to come into the server so you can edit it. And then to change the image, it's very easy to do. What you're going to want to do is click onto the drop down box, so up here in the top left hand corner, and then you want to come down and click onto server settings, and it's going to take you to the server overview. So what you can do from here is basically you want to make sure you're clicked onto overview, which is over here in the left hand side. And then to change the image, as I said, it's very easy to do. All you want to do is hover over the image and you'll get this little change icon word come up. Go and give that a click. And you can actually change this to whichever you want to. So I'm just going to change it to this Roblox guy, like so. And once you do this, make sure you click the Save Changes button, which comes up down at the bottom. You'll get a little pop-up like this. Go ahead and click Save Changes, and then hit escape, and you'll see if we look to the left hand side, the image is now different. So that's how you do it. I hope you did find that helpful today. If that did help, then please leave a like and drop a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.